Okay, guys, so today we're going to learn about the geometrical construction. This is how you do or you draw the drawing or the diagram with a scale, okay, using a proper scale to draw each geometrical shape. So you are constructing line, shapes, 2D, 3D, 2D, and angles as well. So let's start the explanation here. I will play this and slideshow. I think it has to be, wait, duplicate a moment. Okay. So at the end of the chapter, you should be able to construct a perpendicular bisectors and angle bisectors. And then you are applying the properties of perpendicular bisector and angle bisectors and constructing triangle and quadrilaterals and solve related problems. Okay, so we are gonna go for first objective, which is perpendicular bisector and angle bisectors. Okay, so before we start the geometrical construction, you need to know how to use the compass. So in the compass, we have two edges, which is pointed end. It's a needle. So it's a center of the drawing or the circle. If you want to create a circle or arc, this is the center point, the pointed end. And the drawing end is the radius, right? Or the circumference, as you can see. And what you have to do is try to hold the compass on top of the compass, okay? On top only, okay? You cannot do with your two hands or else, okay? So if you want to draw like this, it's quite simple. Step one, adjust the length with your ruler. Okay, if you want to draw a radius, draw a circle with a radius of 3 centimeters. So you need your ruler to measure the 3 centimeters from one end to the equal to the other end. Okay, and then fix the pointer at the point which is the center of the circle and move the other arm of a circle or of the compass to create an arc or a circle. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, you can use every part. You have to provide compass, a ruler, protractor, and also pen, pencil if you want to do, and one of the cutting board to prevent the damage on the table. Now we are going to do the perpendicular bisectors and angle bisector. It's quite simple. Draw a line segment AB of length 10. Now you do it on your paper. Draw a line segment of AB with the length 10 and create the perpendicular bisector of AB. Let's try. This will be very, very easy. So I use this construction tool so you can see everything. So draw a line AB, which is 10 cm. So you put a ruler from 0 to 10. There you go. That's it. So it's a 10 centimeter line and you can draw AB. Mr. Hans, how about if I make it a bit slant? No problem. Okay. So this is called AB. Write down. This point is A and this point is B. Done? Yes. Are we done? No. No, why? Because you need to create the perpendicular bisector. Wait, is it 8 or 10? Oh, here. So 10. And then construct a perpendicular bisector of AB. Let's try. If you are finding the perpendicular bisector of AB, so what you need to do, make a compass, and then make a bit longer. You can do any for a certain length. You can do anywhere. Okay, but make sure that the length is more than half of the length AB, like this. Let's say you can do it in any other form, in any kind of length. Has to be more than. See, this is wrong. But you have to make sure that this has to be more than half of the circle of the what do you call of the line. Okay, and then you have to create the circle all through the A, but it will be a waste of paper. So what you need to do is try to draw just right like this. Okay, and then what happened? It's going crazy. And then here, some, right? And without changing the distance of the compass, you move the needle to the other edges of B, and then you draw another circle here and find the other meeting point. Okay, guys? Then what we found? We found two meeting points, right? This point and this point. Okay? And when you create a line using a ruler from here to here, wait, it's not good. Make it a bit more. There you go. Wait, I need to use another color. Let's say I use the color red. So this red color is a line that is perpendicular bisector. So it has to be dividing A and B with the same distance and also creating a 90-degree line, 90-degree angle here. Okay? Any question, guys? You sure? Happened.
Will it always be like this?
Yeah. Again, I will repeat one more time. How about if I change the distance? Look. It will produce the same answer as well. I will make it a bit, like this. Okay? And move a bit on top. And going down. A bit lower here, let's say. Okay? And move the other needle, the needle to the other part of the circle, part of the line. Make a meeting point, and another meeting point. Okay, almost doesn't meet, so you can extend the line here. Extend the arc. There you go. Okay, and the line here, the blue line is a perpendicular bisector of AB. That's it. Any questions so far? So it divided line AB into two parts, 4 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm, as you can see here. It has to be 5 cm. See, 5 cm means half of the distance of 10, and then it's also 90 degrees. There you go. See, 90-degree angle. Understand?
Yeah.
We can make the protector bigger, lower. Okay, nice. Okay, do you have any question? So do you know why I record this meeting? Because you see the process later on. Okay, next. So line AB is a perpendicular bisector. No, the blue line is the perpendicular bisector. Here. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means 90-degree, bisector means equal distance. Okay, you may write down.
What does that say,
Perpendicular bisector. So I already give you 5 steps of making a perpendicular bisector. Make a line with a certain length or given length, right? Given by the question. Use a compass with a fixed length. It has to be more than half of the length of the line. Later on, I will show you why it has to be more than half. And then make arc on both points. 2 points, right? A and B. And find the 2 meeting points. We get the 2 meeting points and then create the line. And that line called a perpendicular bisector. Okay. That's it. Okay, next slide. So this is very simple. It's 5 cm, 5, and then perpendicular bisector. You can use the S here. What is S? Any letter. It can be anything. Yeah. it's the meeting point between AB and it's the perpendicular or the bisecting AB, yeah, the midpoint of AB. Now draw yourself, practice now. Draw the line segment of AB of length 8 cm and construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. And then we are done for the perpendicular bisector. Okay, 8 centimeter right now, not 10 anymore. Okay, this is 10. I will give you this as a measuring. So this is 90 degree. Okay, no, it's 10 centimeter. Now let's do the 8 centimeter. Okay, let's do the 8 centimeter, guys. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay, clear. Now construct AB, which is 8. How about if I iseng-iseng rotate this becomes 8-nya begini? Can we? Yeah, no problem. No big deal. As long as you put a straight line, as long as you put a straight 8 centimeter here. See, 8 centimeter. Construct AB. Can I write A here, B here? Yeah, no problem. Okay. So it's free choice for you. More than 8, more than 4. Yeah, it has to be more than 4, of course. Put this. Make bottom. And one more on top. Oh, wait. It's wild. Here. Okay. A done. Now go to the B. I use the other color. Red. Oh, I get it. Meeting point. Hey, where are you? Compass. Here. See? You don't have to draw as a big arc. Small is enough as long as both points are meeting. Yeah, if you want to draw big arc, even a circle is okay. But wasting time. And wasting paper, of course. Okay, let's see. So this line is perpendicular bisector. So make a letter M. Or S or A, B, C. And you know that this line is 4 cm. See? 4 cm. And then 4 cm also, it cuts the line into 2 equal parts. So you can just write like this, equal, equal. And let's see the compass. Is it 90 degree? Oh yeah, it's sharp 90 degree. 0 to 90 or 0 left to 90. Okay, it's very, it's clearly seen, guys. Yeah, I will put a ruler here so you can sense the length. Yeah. It's very interesting, right? I like this part of learning. Okay. So this is another example. Okay, make sure that it is 4 cm for each. Any questions so far? No. Yes, Niken? Okay, good question. We can ask how long will be the length of the compass? More than 8, more than 4. It has to be more than, let's say that's 8 centimeters. So it has to be 4 or more. Okay. So the compass length is flexible. Okay, flexible means you can do as long as you want, but make sure it is more than half of the length of the line. Okay, now we're gonna construct the angle bisector, guys. Oh, what is angle bisector? Angle bisector is the line that divides an angle by 2. Okay, let's try. What does it mean? Let's see the working here. Clear. Clear. Do the refresh, better refresh. Okay, I have an angle, a line, any line, guys. It's a regular line. There you go. Okay, now this requires you the use of compass more accurately. So please don't. You have to master the use of the compass. So you need to calculate first. What is the initial angle here? Can anyone notice? How long?
60
62, right? Let's say 62. So, okay, initial angle is 62. Yep, 62 degree. And what do you need to do, guys? Divide the 62 by 2 angle. So, first thing first. Step 1, after you are provided the drawing, let's say this is A, B, and C. You need to construct a perpendicular, an arc bisector. How do you do? First, use a compass, log the distance, put it in the middle of the angle, and create an arc from here to here. Okay? Step 1 done. Okay, I will make a bit bigger. Step 1, construct the arc on the angle. Second step, I use blue color and move the needle to one arc or one meeting point here or here, up to you. Which one you prefer, up or down? Sorry? Up, okay? And extend the length for a bit. There is no certain answer here. Extend, why? Because we make it more simple. But if you want to make it stay the same, I think it's very, very complicated. Yeah, make a bit longer. Lock again and create an arc here. And on the other point here, create another arc. Okay, we have meeting point. Right? What is that? What is the meeting point? Good question, Kaylee. What do you think the meeting point is? Angle bisector. What is angle bisector? I use the green color. From here to here. Okay, so this green line is an angle bisector. Angle bisector. Let's check. Is it 31 degree? Check it, guys. Is it 31? Oh yeah, sure. See 31. Get the idea, guys? So 31 degree. There you go, write down 31 degree. So I will give you the step-by-step rule to find the angle bisector. Okay, you only look at this once. I'll show you how it works with the step. So what first step? Construct an angle, a given angle. Second, put an arc from the midpoint or from the vertex, which is B here. Yeah, in this case B. And then third, what else? Using compass. And another compass, put another arc on both of the meeting point, which is blue. Okay, right? And connect the blue meeting point to the vertex. Very simple. Okay, you may write it down. Okay, let's do the last part of our lesson. Now, draw an angle of BAC, construct the angle bisector of BAC. Okay, no need. We have the step-by-step here. It's the same, actually. Now, here. Draw an angle of BAC 78 degree. BAC 78 degree. So, first thing first, you have to use your protractor. 78 degree, guys. Look, if I want to draw 78 degree, you have to put a straight line first. You can do straight like this. And then make 78 so from the middle. And rotate here. And 78, where is 78? Here. Right, guys? 70. Look, if you want to look at more detail. 75, 78 here. Wait, make it a bit smaller. It's the same actually. 78 about here. Okay, and then extend, right? There you go. Here. After we get 78 degree, what you have to do first? Put ABC angle. Let's see. The angle is BAC, guys. Look. BAC. So write down BAC properly. B, the A is the middle, in the middle. A, C. Here is 78 degree. Angle 78 degree. Write down. And what you do, guys? First, create the arc. Okay? I use the black color. Hey, why is black? And there you go. Okay, first step is done. Second step, what to do? Move the needle here, extend a bit so you can see it clearly. And I use the red color. Create an arc here, one. And you move without changing the distance. You move here, make an arc here. Get the idea, guys? And then what next? Connect the dots here to that. And this is the angle bisector. Done. Angle bisector. Let's check. Is it 78 by 2? What is 78 by 2, guys? 39, right?
Yeah.
Let's check. See, it's 39. Less than 39. With 40, it's about the accuracy. But you know how to do, right? Guys,
Yeah.
39 degree, that's all. Done. So 39 degree. So the more accurate you draw, the nearer the angle it will produce. That's it about the angle bisector. Okay, I will make this smaller so you can see here. Okay, any questions so far? No? Okay, I'll give you some example exercise. I mean, exercise. Next meeting, we will learn about constructing the triangles and quadrilateral. Number 1.
You know, the one that you just put, it's the last this, like, have to put the containers.
Yeah.
Can I use that one on this?
No, you have to use a compass. Okay. Construct a perpendicular bisector of line CD, 7 cm. Bisector of line AB, 8.5 centimeter. Construct an angle bisector. Each 2 question for your exercise. An angle bisector of angle PQR, that is 75. Oh no, 100 degree. Okay. Not 100. Take it a bit slower. Acute angle first. 50 degrees. This is 150 degree. Okay, 4 numbers only. I'll give you some exercise. Try to solve this. Okay,